Now, a new health alert tonight as a salmonella outbreak has been confirmed in central Kentucky. More about that in tonight's medical news. The Lexington-Fayette County Health Department says there are at least 10 confirmed cases of salmonella. 4 patients are in Fayette County, 2 are in Jessamine and Mercer counties, and 1 is in Fleming County, and 1 person lives in a different state. All 10 patients ate the same thing, dessert from Ramsey's Diner. The exposure occurred between June 17th and the 20th. Ramsey's and Missy's Pies, which makes desserts for Ramsey's, have since replaced all products that could possibly be contaminated with salmonella and are allowed to keep making pies that don't require eggs. The health department says it's traced the eggs supplied to Missy's Pies to a particular farm and that further testing is ongoing. They also say this type of outbreak is rare.
I don't recall one this large being tied to anything through a restaurant. Mostly when we have a large-scale foodborne illness outbreak, it's something more like a norovirus, which resolves much more quickly than a salmonella infection. People rarely get tested with those, so it's a little harder to nail down what the cause of their illness was. But certainly if you have, again, the person, place, time exposure and numerous people becoming ill from having the same exposure, then it certainly points to some type of infection. And the last one that I recall was at a food court, and someone had come to work sick. So, I mean, that's another angle that we're looking at. Was anybody sick? That's another common question that you ask. I mean, you think immediately about the ingredients, but if somebody's sick, then we have to look into that too. And to my knowledge, we haven't found that to be the case.
Symptoms of salmonella include diarrhea, fever, abdominal cramps, and vomiting. If you ate at Ramsey's or Missy's Pies from June 17th to the 20th and developed any of those symptoms, the health department encourages you to reach out to them.